Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY H95 wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they're not pairing with Bluetooth, if they keep disconnecting, any issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to delete all of the pairing history and settings off of these headphones so that you can set them up as though you're just setting up a new set of headphones coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that quite simply with these headphones. All we need to do is make sure we have a decent charge on them and make sure they're turned on. And once they're on with a decent charge, we're just going to take this switch here and we're going to move it to the top and hold it towards the top, all the way to the top towards the Bluetooth icon. Just hold it there for 8 seconds. Keeping an eye on the light, the little indicator light while we're holding it there. So while we're holding it there for 8 seconds, we're just going to watch that light, and when that light flashes red for 5 seconds, that means that the reset has been completed. You can go ahead and let go, and now these headphones are ready to be paired as a new set of headphones to your device and set up like new.